Love my nails. Yeah, so the first Uber because I didn't want to drive to the airport. Yeah, I got your clothes ready. Hey kiddos! This is my Uber for today.
Unapenda ubao?
Virakuvere.
Lover with you, love with you. Feel so true, feel so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me.
Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. So yeah, we're almost to Kibuga Chindege. We're heading to Michigan. Me and Kyra. Bro, as soon as Kaya Bana, he does not want to come to me. Oh my gosh. Let me go get him. So yeah, our bags are right here, and that's my water because I get thirsty. Yeah, and the first Uber because I didn't want to drive to the airport, and right, Kai? Right? Yeah, we took Uber. It's like 3 minutes away right now. We're waiting for it, so yeah, I see you guys at the airport. Yeah. Yeah, heading to the gate right now. Well, don't ask me how we ended up in Detroit because it's a long story. And now I'm going to Grand Rapids, which is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Not too far, but Kyra is so tired, so am I. But you know, we're gonna get there. Can I say hi? He's so tired. We had a long flight.
We're all tired.
I know. And Happy's coming to pick me up. I can't wait to see him. Hey! He's here. And I missed her. I missed you, baby. Yeah, we're going home to sleep because my body needs that help.
Okay, let's get out of here.
I need that help. Let's get the head out here. Hey vloggy. So we're heading back to the airport. Airport to where?
Andere wewe, bana na mwamba. Rogi friend.
Yeah. So yeah, we're heading back to the airport. Yomari Grand Rapids, not in Detroit. Yeah, I ended up tracking my bag because I didn't have my bag with me. Again, I guess at the airport, and so I was tracking it this morning, and they said Kochag is at the airport, Yomari Grand Rapids, and me and Hybe going to pick it up. Yeah, different day, same outfit. Don't blame me because I don't have my clothes with me, so don't judge.
Why would you say that?
Because I have to be honest. As long as I showered, right? Right? Shower and go back. Oh my gosh. I'm not living the life I want to live. But it's okay. Let me give it a few minutes. So yeah, I see you guys in the airport. Yeah.
People be rolling.
We are done. We got ready and waiting for Zaddy to come and pick us up. Outfit. This is my outfit. It's hot. I'm in Michigan, but it's hot. It's very hot. Mind you, I live in AZ, but this weather, it's not working. It's not working at all. So yeah, love my nails. Look at it. I love my nails. I love my nail tape. Yeah, she be doing her thing. When he was a baby, yeah, but not now. Now whenever he cries, I know what he wants. Sometimes you just need attention. That's it.
I know, huh?
Yep. Outfit take. Yeah. And we're gonna go to reception.
Together.
Yeah,
Yeah.
together. And Kyra.
Pull up.
Pull up with us. So yeah, I got your clothes ready. Yeah, I got your clothes ready. Go get ready.
Yeah.
Go get ready. Go get
Pull up
ready.
muri suti y'abana OG y'abana. Mungu wanje cyo kumuserebura.
Yeah.
Pull up. Grr. Let's go.
Go,
Kayo.
go, girl.
No papa.
Go dress up, baby.
Akomera mushana.
My sister just came from somewhere and she left me because I was getting ready for the wedding, and now she took her kids out and she left me in the house. So quick. Anyway. Nerekana ibyo urimo. Anyway, Sarero. And first, I forgot my phone inside. And Happy is going to get it for me. Babe, why you throwing it?
Tambuka, vá. Go. Dê por ruhande. Go.
Babe,
Go right there.
I'm going to get. The girls take long to get ready.
Eh, mwazi kuza.
He did. Hey, kiddos. And Happy's here. Bye, sis. Happy is here. I think so. I think I'm going to Mukangwe. Oh, shit. This is my Uber for today. Uber.
Unapenda ubao.
Virakubere. Babe. Man,
Send it.
you be scaring me.
Yeah,
Anyways,
baby.
we're
Baby,
going to the
that's-
wedding. And what we're doing after the wedding, babe? What we're doing after the wedding?
There's no plans for tonight actually.
No plans for tonight. I guess we're coming back home.
We're just gonna
after
celebrate
the
it.
wedding. So we're gonna celebrate the wedding.
Yes.
Because
Vlogging.
vlogging. I hope you are enjoying the vlog because I'm trying so.
You curse.
No, I don't guys. I'm trying so hard to give you guys what you wanna see. So I'm trying to take every little detail. Not every little details, but I'm trying my best to keep up. You know, my brain is not forgetting. I'm doing it for you guys. Okay, subscribe, okay? Yeah. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Excuse me because I lost my voice, but we stepped out, me and my sisters, big sister and my little sister, tukajya kuri beach. So you guys watch us, enjoy us, and enjoy us enjoying. Hey guys, we're already at the beach. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of people there. And there is a lot of cars. You can barely find a parking. So, tugenda mu mazi, imyenda sigiye kuvamo. It's really hot. I can't imagine. I never been to Michigan when it was this hot. Like, oh, this is something else. This heat is not. It's very much heating. So yeah, let's go enjoy it, okay? Yeah, you guys love my hair because yeah, I didn't do makeup because I'm gonna go in the water and this is gonna go off. Yeah. My sister went for a run. I told you guys, ice and running smells bad. Smells bad out here. For sure. But yeah, we are running this year, 2025. We are running.
Looking a mess
and
the house.
Yeah, we're looking at messy right now, but we're gonna be looking good in a few minutes. Don't mind it. Don't mind it. It's really peaceful out here.
Up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin.
Guys, I know I'm not gonna explain it right, but what I just did, oh god,
Went through an incoming train.
Bro, like there's a traffic and we've been here for how many hours? So I didn't want to wait. And do you know what they did? Oh, I seen people going through it, and I'm like, why not me too? So I followed. I went through the incoming train.
Y'all said the person teaching me to drive.
Oh my gosh.
She's the one teaching me to drive.
Oh, I did that. But I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, we've been here for hours. But I'm so proud of myself. But my heart is beating. My heart is beating. Oh my. You know why? Because I said I can't breathe. But I'm still breathing.
Oh.
Why would you say that? So I'm gonna end up getting this too because I don't want my hair to be longer. So this too, which I got the kids braids. I don't want my hair to be long because the heat is already hitting. So let's keep it short, okay? Let's keep it short and get the kids braids. Yeah, now and my wig is gonna be like a little bit shorter, so I don't want it to be long too. Okay, but don't mind the forehead. I just brushed this side. Oof. And this side is not brushed. After washing my hair actually. But now I just brushed it and pretty sure it's gonna be beautiful. I trust my sister's hands. Yes, I do. Because it's for free. But yeah, she's pretty good at braiding. Yeah, let me get my hair braided. That's how my hair looks like. Time to get it braided. The edges are not done, so watch me and love me, subscribe, and I hope you like the vlog because I try my best. So bye.
Get them, Baba.